I describe, first of all, while talking, the biggest key I have found out is this word balance. Now, if you look at anything, okay, for example, if you look at a star, even a star comes to existence or goes out of existence, or it dies or changes its forms when its ratio or the proportion changes. So today, this chair I'm sitting on, if you change its ratio of its consistency, or whatever it has inside, and you can change it to anything else. And that's how all the matters, molecules, that's how it's working. So if you see everywhere, so one thing is into existence because it has a specific proportion. So that means if you're having too much of sugar, it can be bad for you, but not if you're spending it out. So example, you have a big glass of water and you have big glass of milk. So if you change the ratio, in one glass you put 30% milk and 70% water, and in the other one you change the ratio. So you see, already you can see a little bit difference from normal, but when you change it to a very big difference, then the whole thing changes. So everything in life, I think right now our existence even in the universe is exactly in the right frequency for which everything, all these things are happening. Also the dark energy example, if you'll know about it. So if this is little bit up or little bit down, even the things cannot come into existence also, like any of the things in this universe. So not only it's about the like how the process all these things are happening, but everything is going and happening or changing according to the balance. That means if I'm only having in a big theory, I think like that, if I'm very intelligent, okay, example, I'm a scientist, I'm using too much here, but I'm not using too much here, or this is not so much used. Or as an athlete, I'm using maybe a lot here, but less here and less here. They're using, but less proportion. Yeah. Or maybe I'm a creative person, or this thing, I'm using a lot of creativity and this thing a lot, but maybe less of this thing. So then I'm not having the right balance again. Example, in life also, if I have to achieve the best out of my life, I have to think about all these three things that we know, at least the three basics of body, mind and soul, to the right proportion, to the maximum level. Only one will not give the right balance. So that means if I'm too much good, if I'm too much focused on my career, and I'm having a very good now professional life, but I don't have a good private life or a personal life, then I don't have, I'm failing on life. I'm succeeding on my career, but I'm failing on life. The opposite also, vice versa. But if I can find out, again, if you can find out the balance you're having, then you're having again the best out of it. So the balance is the biggest key.